everyone. I'm Ryan with Marine Parts Source, and we are at the 2025 Miami Boat Show. Let's check it out.
John with Vetus Maxwell, here to tell you a little bit about our bow thrusters. These are suitable for bow and stern applications. We have a full line. We have the typical bow thrusters, which is the old on-off thrusters that we introduced many years ago. In fact, we were the innovators of bow thrusters in recreational boats.
Hey, I'm Miguel. I'm here at the Miami Boat Show showing off the new Camus 44 center console. We have a connection with them because they're also right outside of Nashville, as are we, and we helped them install their very first Victron inverter.
Hey guys, this is Brian from Marine Parts Source. We're here at the Miami Boat Show at the Aquila booth. We're here, we just want to give you a sneak peek of these yachts and point out some of the product that they've chosen to install on these new yachts, many of which we carry in stock at Marine Parts Source. Here we are in the master suite of the Aquila 50, and as you can see here, they've got the My Touch control. We're here at the helm of the Aquila 50, and as you can see here, it is equipped with a side power speed control, thruster control, which features a hold functionality for either port or starboard position, and it will hold the vessel to the dock for ease of managing dock lines and holding the boat in windy conditions.
Today, bring me to the show for support of multiple different boats with multiple different sources, including Marine Parts, one of my leading supplier for parts. Trust me when I tell you, these guys are awesome. They're the best. You ask for it, they got it.
Hey everybody, be sure to check back in on our YouTube page for more exciting content from the Miami Boat Show. And also please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.